Hello guys, myself Jwala Prasad Chaurasia, a second year student of Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, BTech AIML. Today we are gonna solve the first track cloud engineering track of our event 30 days of Google Cloud का first quest getting started create and manage cloud resources का second lab. फर्स्ट लैब का वीडियो मैंने ऑलरेडी डाल चुका हूँ तो आप वहाँ देख सकते हो मेरे प्लेलिस्ट में. अब now let's get redirected towards the quick labs. So here we are. So let's begin with this. Okay guys, from here you can see that we had already did the creating a virtual machine, and you can see it's or so we have did this, so no need of doing this one. Now we will doing this lab getting started with Cloud Shell and G Cloud. So guys, let's start now. First of all, start our lab. This irritates sometime. Okay, now let's start our lab. Okay guys, huh, you can see all the console part over here, and now we have to log in into the Google console wala part. So you can just copy this username and you just have to use another account and paste it, and just copy the password and now paste it. Next, that's it. You have to accept all these things. It's all basic formalities from Google. It's like a dummy account we get as a student account for this 30 days of Google Cloud. So normal सा हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Okay guys, we are into Google Cloud Platform, and now it comes up pop-up where we have to tick mark this agreement, or we have to agree these terms and agree and continue. Okay guys. Now let's get on to the next steps. Now we have to activate our Cloud Shell. From here we can activate. And now continue. Sometimes this Cloud Shell won't be working just because of the heavy load on the server and it becomes down. So no need to worry, guys. After some hours or some after a day, you can try again. Sure. Now, first of all, in the Cloud Shell, we have to authorize our project, our username and ID. For that, we have to simply copy this command and put it over here. And you can see this, guys. We have authorized the Cloud Shell. Okay, done. Now next, we have to authorize our project ID over here. We did it. Mhm. Okay, now let's get into our first task. Guys, you can see by clicking here how many tasks we have. Simply we have to create a virtual machine. So it's not a big task, I think that. And you can see all the instructions given in your lab. We will try to keep these videos short so that you all won't be very much difficulty. So simply we have to copy these commands and paste into the Cloud Shell. So let's get started, guys. And for by these commands, what we are gonna get to see what our default region and zone settings are. Now let's see what already default settings are. So for that we have to copy this and paste these commands. Okay, it's here you can see that it's unset. Okay, it's unset. You can see it. Now it's like copy your project, identify your default region and zone. Copy your project ID to your clipboard or text editor. Project ID is listed in two places. Okay. Sure, following command. Okay, in the Cloud Shell, we have to run these commands. From here you can see that. Okay, we have to copy the project ID. Okay, first let's copy this command. Hmm. after that replacing it with our project id, we have to copy this and simply I will reject replace it my project id and enter it. So as you can see that our process has been done, and after that what is the process? Okay guys, here we have to set the environment variables. We have to create an environment variable to store our project id, replacing your project id with the values for name from the jcloud compute project info describe command you run earlier. Okay, we have just to copy this command and replace our project id from here. So simply copy this command, paste it over here, and now simply copy this command, copy this from here and paste it. Enter. We did it. Next step, we have to export the zone. Simply guys, do as it is which is being given in your lab. Copy this and it's like zone, and from here okay, we have to replace it from the Google Cloud Compute Project info describe commands you run earlier. Guys, we have seen that we have run this command, so simply we have to replace it from here. Okay, we have run this command. Okay, okay, we have got something over here. Okay, guys. Oh, describe. Okay, guys, we have seen this command here. We will simply run this. Okay. कंप्लीट हो गया, ये हो गया. Wait a second guys, I'm doing it. Okay. Now we have to see which region and the which zone we have to set up. For that we have to copy this and we have to just put this command over here, and in your zone section we have to put the, we can simply see this in the compute section wala part over here, VM instances, which zone. हाँ, समझा. यहाँ आ जाओ, यहाँ आ जाओ. एक सेकंड रहेगा. After that we have to run this command. How about if this command? Okay, wait. Now it is being setted. Now from this we can see which is setted. Still, it's being not setted. Set. You have to copy again from here. Some error. I think that. Guys, I think yeah, we can see the it's like default uh, zone and region. We can find after this command from here. We have simply have to co- copy this one, this zone, and paste it here. Excellent. Simply we have to paste it here, and now copy this command zone. ये zone की जगह replace कर देना है simple. Guys, ये हो गया. फिर अब इसकी जगह इस after that we have to verify that your variables were set on the following command. Now we have to verify that if it was set up or not. We have to run this following command. See guys, we can see that our zone is being set up, and after that, okay, we have to create a virtual machine simply by these commands. For by these commands, we have to just copy this and paste it over here. Enter. Sometime it may take time, but it would be okay. It's going on, guys. The virtual machine is being created. You can see this status, it's running, and after that what we have to do, here you can see all the command details in the task. Okay, simply guys, we have completed our second lab also. Now simply we have to end this lab, and thank you guys for watching my video, and soon I'll be sharing the next video also, so please be updated on my YouTube channel, and let's get the swags. Thank you guys.